Hello and welcome to another quarterly update from the Barwon Healthcare Property team. My name's Tom Patrick. I'm a partner at Barwon and head of our healthcare real estate business. Today I'm joined by Srimathi Iyengar, the portfolio manager from the Barwon Institutional Healthcare Property Fund. Sri, there's been a lot of coverage, of unlisted commercial property and valuations particularly, given the recent increases by the RBA to the cash rate here in Australia over the last 12 to 18 months. How are you ensuring that the valuations of the portfolio are marked to market appropriately, and how has the Barwon Institutional Healthcare Property Fund performed recently?
BIHPF follows a rigorous rolling valuation cycle of valuing some assets every month rather than a June and December cycle. And we also value our assets twice annually, alternating between internal and external valuations. In the current market, our internal valuations are now supported by a desktop valuation by third-party external valuer. So far, we've had 83% of the fund revalued in the first 5 months of 2023, and we've seen cap rates softening in the order of 25 to 50 bips given the interest rate environment.
Okay, given that market softening, Sri, what opportunities are you seeing in the market in general, and I guess what's your take on the healthcare sector vis-a-vis other traditional commercial property sectors?
We've been seeing more assets coming to the market and transacting at 5 to 10% discount. And this compares to the recent Sydney office transactions where discount is in the order of 15 to 20% and cap rate expansion is somewhere around 100 to 125 bips. We currently have about 3 assets in due diligence that have been secured at 5 to 10% discount to the current book values. These assets would probably have traded at a 15% premium to our negotiated purchase price had we purchased them in 2021 at the peak of the cycle. We believe that healthcare will continue to fare better as compared to other traditional property sector as institutional investors are becoming more aware of the sector's resilience. We also focus a lot of our efforts on being a long-term capital partner to our tenants as they look to expand their operations. A good example of this would be our partnership with Healthscope to develop the La Trobe Private Hospital located at the La Trobe University campus, adjacent to the recently announced $5 billion University City of the Future Plan project at the La Trobe's Bandura campus. This hospital represents an uncapped expansion opportunity for the fund, with plans of up to $200 million investment to ensure this becomes the leading private hospital in the growing Northern Corridor.
So the team surely is busy. Given all of these opportunities, what is the fund's capacity at the moment, Sri?
We have a capital headroom of about 500 million available in the form of uncalled capital as well as debt room, but it is already committed to the assets that we spoke about in due diligence at the moment. But it also gives us the headroom to selectively pursue opportunities that we really like in this market. But given the fund is fairly 100% committed now, we have also opened up our fund to new capital and are seeing some strong ongoing interest from investors to continue to invest in the healthcare sector.
Thanks, Sri, for joining us today. I really appreciate those insights, and I'm sure our investors will as well. If you would like to find out some more information on the Barwon Institutional Healthcare Property Fund, and in particular the fundraising which the fund is undertaking currently, please feel free, contact myself, Srimathi, or indeed our business development team for any questions you may have. Thank you for joining us today.